Aakar Foundry Private Limited is a greenfield project started in the year 2007. Aakar Foundry offers solutions right from prototype development to serial production through HPDC, LPDC, and GDC route. The company has built up a strong capability in design engineering and value-added services, which gives it a full-service supply capability. From product conceptualization to designing and manufacturing, the company caters to clients like Tata, Atlas Copco, Endurance, Mahindra, TVS, Cummins, Kirloskar, and many more.
Aakar Foundry is a part of Vishwakarma Institutes, and this company started its serial production in 2010 April. We started with the gravity die casting, then low pressure die casting, high pressure die casting. But from inception of this company, we believed in that we should supply machined parts, not only raw castings. And in last 8 years, our turnover grown from 4 crore to 80 crore. And also our exports is 15%. Our non-auto market is around 30%. 70% is automotive. In last 8 years, we are fortunate to have 25 valuable customers, in which major customers are Tata Motors, Mahindra, Fiat. Then recently we added Bajaj Auto. We also serving non-auto customers like Atlas Copco, Kirloskar Oil Engine, Cummins. Our top 3 customers are Greaves, Minda Industries, and Fitgard, which is a part of Cummins Group. We make 125 different parts every month, and it may be the widest range available in die casting. The criticalities perspective is that all parts should be leak tested. There are technical tolerances in a component. So one component which goes on Tata 5-liter new generation engine, in that water pump housing we have to maintain the bore diameter within a tolerance and concentricity of 10 microns, which is very difficult to achieve. So we also maintain parallelism within 50 microns. So these are challenging parts, and we are making it rightly, first time right. This company based in Bangalore, they are well known in machine tool in India, one of a big brand, and their speciality is to make very rigid machine and frugal technology. When I say frugal technology, it means that the value for money which BMW offers is something special. And also the speciality of BMW machine is that repeatability is well achieved. The BMW is also one of a preferred brand when you go with a heavy duty machining. So we decided to brought a Chakra brand, and then Agni Plus Plus, again a repeat of brand of Chakra. Also in production we used Agni Plus Plus with 4th axis, and recently we had Xtron models which is having very good rapid. The machines are elegant, and I can say that now machines are very beautiful also. Now we have 7 BMW machines, and every year we buy some machines from them. They are serving us well, and it is very easy to approach top management of BMW also, and I would say they value the relationship, and the support team is doing fantastic job. Mr. Ravi, who is managing director of a company, he also visited us last year, and very down to earth person, and whatever we mentioned help required, so he agreed, and he supported when we required quick delivery of the machine also. As far as Acar is concerned, we don't have any European machine in our company. We are very happy that in our tool room, all machines used are BFW only.
Acar Foundry always believes in 100% customer satisfaction, and the company believes that BFW has played a vital role in their progress. Even in the future, they will always prefer and recommend BFW machines.